Hey there, tech aficionados! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech reviews. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of high-performance memory with the G.SKILL Trident Z RGB series DDR4 RAM. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our exciting tech reviews. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the G.SKILL Trident Z RGB series DDR4 RAM. This is memory that not only delivers outstanding performance but also adds a dazzling RGB touch to your PC build. The Trident Z RGB series has been designed to work seamlessly with a range of platforms, including AMD Ryzen B550 and X570 series, as well as Intel Z390, Z490, and newer platforms. We're talking serious compatibility here. This specific kit is a 64GB powerhouse, containing 2x32GB modules, with DDR4 3600 speed, and a CAS latency of CL18. It operates at 1.35 volts for optimal performance. Now, let's talk about what sets this RAM apart, the RGB lighting. The exposed light bar on these modules is a visual treat, featuring vibrant RGB LEDs that take your PC aesthetics to the next level. The default lighting effect showcases a mesmerizing wave of rainbow colors. But that's just the beginning. You can download software to customize the lighting effects and colors, allowing you to create the perfect match for your PC build. It's all about pushing the boundaries of RGB possibilities. The Trident Z RGB memory modules retain the iconic design elements of the classic Trident Z series. They feature a luxurious hairline finished aluminum heat spreader and the signature fin design that ensures efficient heat dissipation. What's more, the top of the heatsink has been carefully engineered to accommodate a wider light diffuser, creating extravagant lighting effects. This RAM not only performs like a champ but also looks the part. Performance-wise, G.SKILL doesn't mess around. Each memory kit goes through a rigorous selection process and features a custom-engineered 10-layer PCB for top-notch performance. This means you can count on reliability and speed when you need it most. One of the most exciting aspects of RGB memory is the ability to customize your PC's colors. With the Trident Z RGB memory kit, you have the freedom to choose the colors that best suit your style. It's like painting a canvas, but in the digital realm. In a nutshell, the G.SKILL Trident Z RGB series DDR4 RAM is the perfect combination of power and beauty. It offers remarkable performance and allows you to unleash your creativity with customizable RGB lighting. Have you experienced the magic of Trident Z RGB memory? Are you considering an upgrade for your PC build? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. That's a wrap for today, folks. I'm your host, signing off from Product Critique. Remember, G.SKILL's Trident Z RGB series DDR4 RAM is all about pushing the boundaries of both performance and style. Until next time, keep those PCs running smooth and those RGB lights shining bright.